Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Let's have a look at the PIR and lighting sensors PSO2. This is the package of the products. We can open the box and look at the PSO2 sensor. The PSO2 is a battery-powered Casambi PIR and lighting sensors. In addition to the passive infrared sensing functions, it also has an ambient light sensing functions. The sensitivity of PIR sensing can be configured from the app, and the light sensing can be set for the timing illuminance collection. The sensors can be used after activating it to pair on the Casambi app. To pair it, we need to open the top covers and press the pairing key to activate. Now let's open the top cover. This sensor is powered by a CR2032 cell battery for the regular versions, and the lifetime of a battery can last for more than 1 year. We also have a long-life battery version PSO2L, and it has a large capacitive battery building in the housing. The building battery can be used for more than 5 years for regular operation. The PSO2L sensor also retains the battery slot where the auxiliary battery can be installed. So when the building battery ran out, we can install a CR2032 cell battery used as a regular version to extend the lifetime. Here is the pairing key. Single press to activate for pairing, and hold press to enter the deep sleep mode to save the battery power and extend the battery life to maximum. And this is the indicator light. When we press the pairing key or trigger the sensor, the indicator will light up. Besides, there has a 3M tab in the packing. You just can stick the sensor on the wall or anywhere you want to install it. It is easy for installation. Now let's look at the operations of this sensor. Here I have connected a set of Casambi devices. This is one of our Casambi CV controller, 5-in-1 models XP50, which can be used from single color to RGB plus CCT applications. It has been connected with an RGB plus CCT LED strip. I added it to my current network. Now we are powering the light. I added it to my current network and set up 2 sinks. Name present sinks. For cool light at 100% brightness, and SM sinks for warm light at 100% brightness. First, we need to activate the sensors. Open the cover and single press the pairing key. And we can find the PSO2 sensors in the nearby devices on the Casambi app. Select the PSO2 icon, click Change Profile. There are 6 profiles to choose from, including low sensitivities, and the detective range is about 3 to 4 meters. Mid-sense means medium sensitivities, and the detective range is about 4 to 5 meters. High sense means high sensitivities, and the range is about 5 to 6 meters. These 3 profiles have real-time illuminations collections. The illuminations will change according to the ambient light. And the other profiles are 3 levels of sensitivities with 10-second timing illumination collection. That is, the sensor will collect the ambient illuminations every 10 seconds. When the brightness changes by more than 20%, the sensor will update the data to the Casambi system. When select the timing versions of the profile, the battery life will be slightly reduced. Usually, the factory devices defaults to the mix-sense profile. To change profile, we can select one of profiles, such as low sense. Click Start Update. The sensor is now set up with the low sense profile. Now we add the PSO2 to the current network. Back to More interface. Enter Sensors. We can see the illuminations value besides the device's icon. Let's preset the sensor. Before setting the sensor, please note to enable the use control hierarchy in the network setup. Select PSO2. Then enter Not in Use. To set up presence sensors first, click Presence. Select the presence sinks down. Set the linger time to 10 seconds and the fade time to 1 second. Enable the remove manual control, then down. Back to the light interface. Double-click the light icon to enter the setting interface. Select Dedicated Daylight Sensor. Enable PSO2 to control, down. Now let's have a try. I wave my hand over the sensor to simulate someone walking by. When someone is detected by the sensor and the indicator lights up, the light will switch the presence sinks for cool light at 100% brightness automatically. Now I stop waving to simulate that someone has left, and the light will turn off after 10 seconds. Let's try it again. Wave my hand and stop waving. The light will turn off after a while. Let's set up the next options, presence and absence sensor. Click Sensors, select PSO2. Select Presence and Absence Sensing. And select Presence Sinks and Absence Sinks accordingly. Present, down. Absence, down. And keep other settings the same, down. Now let's have a try. The light is off status. I wave my hand to trigger the sensors. When someone is detected, the presence sinks comes on at 100% cool light, and it will stay on until absence is detected. I stop waving. About 10 seconds, the presence sinks switches to the absence sinks at 100% brightness warm light. Let's try it again. Wave my hand and trigger the sensor to switch the light at cool light. After a while, the light will switch to the warm light. Let's set up the last options, absence sensor. Back to sensor. Select PSO2. Click absence functions. Select the affected absence sinks and keep other settings the same, then down. Back to the light interface. Now the light is off status. I turn it on by the app manually and wait to be detected by the sensors to create the presence situation. Now I move my hand away, and the light stays on. After the sensor detects the absence, it will be turned off automatically. Now the light is off. Let's try again. Turn on the light by the app and wait to detect it by the sensor. Now move my hand away. The light will be off after a while. The absence function is suitable for when people leave the room and forget to turn off the light. The sensor can automatically trigger to turn off the light. Instead of going back to turn off the light manually, it may save time in practical applications. As shown in the video, there are more applications of the sensors on the Casambi systems, and the settings are relatively complex. It is recommended the users can try to operate these products and experience the powerful functions of the platform. These are the basic functions of the PSO2, PIR, and lighting sensors. Thanks for watching.